Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate how to use the Fingerprint Attendance system with full sync in the application. This method is especially useful when you have a dedicated device for a specific class with multiple sections, so you don't need to sync data repeatedly. Let's get started. After logging into the system, navigate to the side menu and go to Settings. Open the Extension tab, select the required extension. Here you can view your organization's details. Now, turn the extension on. Ensure that the full sync option is on. Below, you will find a table displaying all the devices linked to this extension. To add a new device, click on the Add Device button, enter the device name and the MAC address provided with the device, and click on Submit. The device will now appear in the list, and you can also delete it if required. This completes the device setup. Now, go to Student Attendance from the side menu and open the Fingerprint Register tab. Select the class, and you will see a list of sections along with students' fingerprint data. Next, select the device and make sure the device is switched on. You will notice a toggle option that allows you to choose whether to send one or both fingerprint templates for each student. Now, click on the Full Sync button. This will sync all the fingerprint data to the device. Please note that Full Sync will only work after selecting the device and ensuring it is turned on. Once syncing is complete, let's move on to marking attendance. Go to the Today's Attendance tab, select the class and date, and then choose the section for which you want to take attendance. Click on Mark Attendance. Make sure this page remains open, as attendance will only be recorded while this screen is active. Now, ask students to place their fingers on the device one by one. After all students have marked their attendance, click on the Submit Attendance button. This will successfully save the attendance. You can now view the attendance from the dashboard. Select the class and section, and a day-wise attendance summary card will appear. Clicking on it will provide a detailed view where you can filter by all, present, or absent students. You can also view the total number of students, attendance percentage, and export the report in PDF or Excel format. Additionally, in the Class Attendance Overview section, you can track how many classes have completed attendance and how many are still pending. And that's how you can efficiently use the Fingerprint Attendance system with full sync in Intellicraft. Thank you for watching this demo.